The Bhutto family has had a definitive role in Pakistani politics and has been a political driving force in the country. Two generations of the family have seen members being elevated to the Prime Minister's slot, and it is the late PPP chairperson's husband, Asif Ali Zardari, that commands the presidency at the moment. Keeping all this in mind, the government has decided to pay tribute to the Bhuttos, to developing their family graveyard as well as the Bhutto shrine with 432 million rupees from the National Exchequer.
उनकी एक शख्सियत तो थी जिनको एक अच्छा काबिल इज़्ज़त किस्म का उनका एक मौजूलियम अगर हो तो सारी दुनिया में दूसरे जितने बड़े बड़े लीडर्स हैं उनके अपने बनाए हुए हैं और जाहिर है कि वो किसी ने अपने जेब से नहीं बनाए, वो गवर्नमेंट ने बनाए.
Sindh Minister for Works Manzoor Hasan informed that the map of the project was prepared with the consent of the late PPP chairperson Benazir Bhutto in her lifetime. The minister also noted that an amount of 76 million rupees was approved for the project in the 2008-2009 budget, while another amount of 100 million rupees was approved for the 2009-2010 budget that has already been spent on the project. The building of monuments and mausoleums with government money is a common practice throughout the world, and if you ask anyone in Garhi Khudda Baksh, they will be fully supportive for renovating and expanding the Bhutto graveyard and the mausoleum. But on the other hand, given the numerous issues being faced in Pakistan, how does the general public feel about such a large amount of money being spent on such a project?
आवाम बेचारे ड्यूटी करके आ रही है और लाइनों पर घर के जनानियां जो है रोटी के लिए आटे के लिए पीछे ख्वार हो रहे हैं और कब्रिस्तानों में 1.5 लाख रुपए अरब रुपए खरब रुपए कब्रिस्तानों में खर्च कर रहे हैं. मैं मर गया हूं, मेरे लिए क्या खरब तुम कब्रिस्तान बना के करोगे? उनको छोड़ो, जो जिंदा है उनको पालो, उनको पोसो.
जो हालात है उसके मुताबिक तो जिंदाओं को मार रहे हैं, मुर्दाओं को जिंदा कर रहे हैं. ये तो कोई अच्छी बात नहीं ना.
The vast majority of Pakistanis are crumbling under the inflationary pressures being faced in the country, while poverty is at an all-time high. To add to that, the war in the north too has taken its toll and rendered hundreds of thousands homeless and hungry. Although it is understandable that the PPP wishes to pay tribute to its leaders, it's not something the general public will be willing to understand. Abid Hasan, Dawn News.